Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about multiplication of algebraic expression. Here is an introduction. Look at the following patterns of dots. Here is a pattern of dot 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 4 into 9. Here it is 5 into 7, the number of dots. Here also m into n, right? And here also m plus 2 and n plus 3, that is m plus 2 into n plus 3. This way you can multiply. Can you think of similar other situations in which two algebraic expressions have been multiplied? Amina gets up. She says we can think of area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length into breadth, where a length is the length and b is the breadth. If the length of the rectangle is increased by 5 units, l plus 5, and breadth is decreased by 3 units, n minus b minus 3 units, then area of the new rectangle will be L plus 5 into B minus 3. Can you think about volume? The volume of a rectangular box is given by the product of its length, breadth and height. Sarita points out that when we buy things, we have to carry out multiplication. For example, if price of bananas per dozen is rupees P and for the school picnic bananas needed Z dozens, then we have to pay rupees P into Z. Suppose the price per dozen was less by 2 and the bananas needed were less by 4 dozens. Price of bananas per dozen P minus 2 and bananas needed Z minus 4 dozens. Then we have to pay P minus 2 into Z minus 4. Multiplying monomial by monomial, multiplying two monomials. Here we begin with 4 into x, x plus x plus x plus x, that is 4x as seen earlier. Similarly, 4 into 3x equal to 3x into plus 3x plus 3x plus 3x, that is 12x. Now observe the following products: x into 3y, x into 3 into y into 3, that is equal to 3 into x into y, that is 3xy. 5x into 3y, 5 into x into 3 into y, 5 into 3 into x into y, that is 15xy. 5x minus 3y equal to 15 minus 15xy. Some more examples follow. 5x plus 4x square, that is 5 into 4 into x square, that is 20x cube, or 5x minus 4xyz is equal to minus 20x square yz. Multiplying 3 or more monomials. Observe the following examples. 2x plus 5y into 7z equal to 2x plus 5 into 5y into 7z, that is 20 plus into 7, 70xyz. 4xy into 5x square y square, 6x cube y cube. This you can, if you multiply this one, that is 120 x to the power 6 y to the power 6. It is clear that if we multiply the first two monomials and then multiply the resulting monomial by the third monomial, this method can be extended to the product of any number of monomials. Here you see, complete the table for the area of a rectangle with given length and breadth, that is 3x and 5y, that is 3x into 5y, 15xy, 9y into 4y square, 36y cube. In this way, find the value of each rectangular box with given length, breadth and height. Volume is, we know that length into breadth into height. The volume is equal to 2x into 3by plus into 5cz, that is 2 into 3 into 5 into x into by into cz, that is 30 abc xyz. Volume equal to m square n into n square p into p square m, that is m square into m, n into n square, p into p square, that is m cube, n cube, p cube. That is volume 2q into 4q square into 8q cube, that is 2 into 4 into 8 into q square into q cube, that is 64q6. In this way you can find the various length, volume and areas. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.